So I got my RZmask a little while ago, just before I did all my concreting, and yeah, it did its job, but I need to change this filter over. They're pretty easy. You just basically grab the inside, twist, outside bit comes off, you then want to take these parts, because they're the backflow valves, take those out of the mask. Now I don't need the active carbon filter for what I want to do next, it's just basically dust stuff, so I've just got these high flow filters which I bought at the same time. Keep those sealed up so they stay dust free until I want to use. And then you want to get the high flow section, the backflow, this bit here, into the mask or into the filter. Just make sure it seats all the way through. Get the dust off that. And so then that goes into the mask. Make sure you've got your foam section on the top section where your nose goes. It won't fit in the mask anyway, otherwise. And just feed it through the material, and then these have little notches that are lined with notches on these, so you want to get those lined up to get them clicked in. And I think I want to have this part facing down, that way I'm not going to get dust flying in it from the sky. And then just hold that in place and twist that to get it locked in. Do the same on the other side. You can see I've still got a bit of muck on the outside of these from when I was concreting. And that, you take the filter out and basically give these a gentle wash. But there we go, ready to go. So simple and better than the old paper masks.